Hi guys, my name is Marina and in this video we'll be talking about adjectives and adverbs. So I'm sure you've already seen words like easy and easily, quick and quickly, nice and nicely. But what is the difference between them and when do we use these guys and these guys? Let's figure it out. These guys are adjectives and these guys are adverbs. Let's start with adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe nouns. So what are nouns? A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So we use adjectives to describe people, places, or things. A beautiful who or what? Woman. A modern who or what? City. An interesting who or what? Book. As a rule, you put your adjectives before the noun you describe. We've got plenty of adjectives to describe places, people, or things. Why do we need adverbs then? Adverbs are used to describe verbs. And you can see that the word adverb contains the word verb. It's pretty easy to remember. We need an adverb to describe a verb. In case you don't remember what a verb is, it's an action or a state, like run, drink, write, and so on and so forth. She ran quickly. She ran, here's our verb, and we don't describe the person. We describe how she ran. How did she run? She ran quickly. So here is the question, how? She ran. How did she run? She ran quickly. Then the kids are playing happily. We are not trying to describe the kids. We can say the kids are happy and then it would be an adjective. But in this sentence, we are telling about the way they are playing. They are playing how? Happily. They are playing, here is the verb, and they are playing how? Happily. Let's compare adjectives with adverbs. That's an easy task and I did it easily. In the first case, we're describing a noun. Here is the noun and I want to know what kind of task. That's an easy task. So these two words go together. The word easy describes the word task. I did it easily. I'm not trying to describe the task. I'm just trying to tell you how I did it. I did, here's the verb, I did it how? Easily. There's one more thing you need to know. We don't use ly adverbs with verbs to be, to feel, to smell, to taste, and to look. I'm happy, so here's your verb to be. I'm happy, not happily. I feel good, I feel great. It smells delicious. You look beautiful, not beautifully. Here comes your favorite part, exceptions. Good doesn't become goodly. Good becomes well. She's a good student. Student is a noun, and the verb and the word good describes the student. What kind of student is she? She's a good student, so it's an adjective. Good student. And she speaks English well. Here we've got an adverb because we are describing the way she speaks. How does she speak? She speaks well. Hard and hardly is not the same. You can use hard as an adjective and as an adverb. So this is a hard work. That would be an adjective. What kind of work is that? It's a hard work. Or she works hard. How does she work? She works hard. So here it's an adverb because I'm describing how this person works. But hardly means seldom, almost never. She hardly ever works, meaning she almost never works. Or hardly ever works. Late and lately are totally different words with different meaning. Late, it's getting late, I'm late, and so on. but lately means recently. I've been feeling better lately. But don't say anything like she came to work lately, because that's not the word you're looking for. She was late, she came late, she was late to work, so it's always late. Lately is a real word. That's not what you need in this case. Here are some sentences for you to practice. What you need to do here is to decide on what you need to use here, an adjective or an adverb. You can pause the video if you need some time to think. She speaks French fluent or fluently. What are we trying to describe? A person or the way she speaks? So here's the verb. She speaks, and I want to know how she speaks. So she speaks how? Fluently. She's a polite or politely person. Do I want to describe what kind of person she is, or what she did, or how she did something? We're describing what kind of person she is. So she is a polite person. I'm describing a person, so she is a polite person. Sam speaks quick or quickly. I want to describe the way he speaks. He speaks how? He speaks quickly. I hope you understand adjectives and adverbs better now. If the video was useful, don't forget to subscribe. See ya!